Near Mobile is a non-custodial crypto wallet for the Near blockchain. To buy Near using Near Mobile, simply go to the Wallet tab and tap on Buy. You'll be taken to the Transak buying page. Once there, enter the amount you want to buy, the payment method, and fiat used for the transaction. Note that payment methods will vary depending on your location and fiat used. We will go with Apple Pay. Tap on Buy Now to continue. Review the transaction details such as your wallet address, fee, and amount, and tap on Buy Near. The first time you use Transak, you'll need to create an account. It is a simple process that takes around 60 seconds to complete. Skip to the next section to learn more. If you already have a Transak account, you'll need to log in. To do so, simply enter the email you used to create your account. Wait to receive your verification code, paste it, accept Transak terms, and tap on Continue. You'll be taken to the confirmation page, where you'll have to accept the terms again. Tap on Confirm, and finish the transaction using the payment method previously chosen. Again, our choice was Apple Pay. Congratulations! Your crypto will be deposited into your wallet once the transaction is processed. Please note that all personal and payment details are neither accessed nor stored by Near Mobile. They are for Transak. To create an account, start the buying process and when requested, enter the email you want to use to create the account and wait to receive a validation code. Transak will ask for your name, phone number, and birthday. Fill in your personal details and tap on Continue. Next, you'll have to input your address details. After doing that, tap on Continue. Transak will ask to take a picture of your ID, passport, or driver license. You'll need to give Transak access to your camera. Tap on Start Verification. Select the country of issuance of the document you're planning to use. Tap on the document type and take a picture of it following Transak prompts. Next, tap on Continue and take a selfie. The information provided will be verified, and you'll receive an email once the process is complete. After that, you'll be able to finish your transaction as explained in the previous section by tapping on Order Now.